Meet POS Capacity View, your team's live schedule for single booking resources right inside POS. See what's booked, what's free, and keep your venue running at full capacity. In this video, we'll show you how to access POS Capacity View, customize it to your venue, and use it to manage and reschedule bookings. To get started, open POS and select Capacity to see today's schedule. A red line marks the current time, and the view updates automatically throughout the day. Each booking appears as a tile on the grid. To view the full booking record, select a booking tile, then go to Booking. From here, you can check in guests or make changes to the booking. To get the most out of POS Capacity View, customize the layout to best suit your venue's operations. Open Venue Manager, then go to Apps, Point of Sale, Templates, and open the template you want to edit. Select Unlock to edit. Then, Yes, Edit Template. Go to the Capacity View section and use the Resources drop-down to select which single booking resources to display in POS Capacity View. Then, hold and drag resources to reorder them to best suit your venue's operations. POS Capacity View only supports single booking resources. If your venue doesn't have any, you won't see the option to customize Capacity View. Select Save when you're done to update the template. You can adjust how many resources appear on the POS Capacity View screen. If your venue has fewer than 10 resources, the default expanded view offers better visibility. For 10 or more resources, the compact view works best, allowing you to display up to 40 resources on one screen. Select the cog icon and check Compact Mode to enable it. Adjust your time view by selecting a time block size from the drop-down. Switch to 5 or 10-minute intervals to better see and fill gaps in your schedule. You can use drag and drop to quickly reschedule bookings before they start. It's a simple way to fill gaps and make the most of every resource. If there's a last-minute cancellation or no-show, staff can just drag a session into that open slot to keep the schedule running smoothly. Depending on your settings and device, draggable booking tiles may look a little different. By default, you'll see which tiles are draggable when you hover over them with a mouse. On touchscreens where there's no hover, you can press and hold the tile for a moment to see if you can drag to reschedule. To always see which tiles are movable, select the cog icon and check Show Movable Tiles Always. When it's turned on, all draggable tiles stay visible in their active drag state, making quick rescheduling a breeze. With POS Capacity View, your team can keep every part of your venue moving. Fewer gaps, faster reschedules, a busier, more profitable day.